This is Patrick with MT Knives. Just sitting here playing around. This is a 2.65 horsepower motor, and it says 1.5 horsepower continuous duty. I'm testing this out. This is a treadmill motor, so I'm just kind of playing around with it. Hopefully it's going to be my new knife grinder motor. Go ahead and turn it on.
Go ahead and turn it on. Go ahead and turn it on. Turn it on.
Thanks, buddy. Did he turn it on highest? Go ahead and turn it on. This motor will flat get with it. I'm not sure if it's what I need or how well it'll work, but we'll find out. So, just trying to learn. Go ahead and try to throw me together a knife grinder. This has been Patrick with MT Knives. Have a good day.